First up is a major planned inclusion that, didn't go so well. When the video was in planning stages, the production company reached out to Neil. Oh wow, I didn't know that he did that! Cicierega. The plan was for him to send over the puppets of Harry Potter puppet pals fame to make an appearance in the video. But according to Neil, the puppets got temporarily lost in a warehouse somewhere in Tennessee. Production told Neil that they would just make a replica of the puppets, and thus, a naked Dumbledore puppet made it into the video for all of 3 frames.